Hey friends, it's Len here at 1A Auto. Today we're working on our 2004 Volvo XC90. This is the all-wheel drive version, 2.5. And we're going to be showing you how to remove the torque rod mount. It's going to be very simple. I can do it, you can do it too. As always, if you need any parts, you can always check us out at 1aauto.com. Thanks. Alright, so one of the first things we're going to do is get this bolt out of here. To do that, I'm going to use a 15 on this side. I'm going to use an 18mm wrench on this side, which is the nutted side. You can use your hand ratchet or air gun, whatever you've got access to. Just try to get it in there. I'm going to grab a short extension real quick. They came through from the passenger side to the driver's side. Set that up there. This can move around. Clear to move on to the next step. So I'm going to use my 18mm wrench. I'm going to go right on this nut under here. Use my 17mm up top here. Went up to down, or straight up and down. Do the same to this side. Let's see if we can get this in under here. We'll get this out of the way. All right, so it's time to get this bar back in here. It's gonna come right up and over like this. Line up the hole here. Get this one so it's sitting up where it's gonna go. Everybody looks happy. Pick whichever bolt you want to start with. These go down and through. Just like that. Get your nut for the bottom there. It's definitely started. Bonk, bonk. See if I can get my hand down here. We are. All right, everybody started in. Let's go ahead and snug them down. We're going to use our 18mm wrench down on that bottom nut. 17 on top. Same for this one. Now we're going to do this one. All right. There we are. Easy peasy. All right, so we're going to torque this down. We're going to get our 18 on the bottom there, our 17 on the top right here. We're going to tighten this down to 85 Newton meters. There we are. One more time. Okay. This one over here, same thing, 85. going to go 85. There we are. Just try to get my wrench off of here real quick. Tighten this down to 85 as well. There we are. Okay. So torqued, torqued, torqued.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1AAuto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.